Today, we'll be talking about a personal banking app. A personal banking app such that you can easily use it to make withdrawal, send money to your friends, and share money amongst your friends. This app has to do with everything that requires your personality, your spending habit, and the rest. Welcome to Webland Techversity. We'll talk about tech inside out. In today's video, we'll focus more on how a user interface, that is the buttons, how buttons can be created in your UI UX design. Every step of the way will be detailed here, such that the buttons, all you have to do is start with the ellipse tool, bring the ellipse tool, arrange the grid according to the ellipse tool, get them, each and every one of them to be in the same tandem with each and every one of the other ones. Get them, copy the ones you've copied, let it be the same size. That's the essence of the copying. Use this the grid formula to get it alongside. Copy each and every one of them, use Ctrl Shift, and then copy the three of them, match it together, copy and paste to bring the rest of the buttons as the same color and the same size as possible. Then copy them one after the other. After drawing, using the ellipse tool to draw the circles, copy each and every one of them, highlight each and every one of them, connect them using the grid, copy them and drag downwards. As you're dragging them downwards, the ellipse tool will follow the pattern and it's going to be your buttons. On those buttons, that's where you will now start putting in your digits, making it like putting in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 then 0 to make it a complete digit. Okay, at this point, you can start adding the digits one after the other on the ellipse tools.